There's a chance that single mother Kiari Harris will get her children back on Thursday when her case returns to family court.
They've been with strangers for the better part of a month for this.
Attorney Vanessa Guide is representing Harris in her fight to regain custody of her two kids after a family court judge issued a court order last month citing neglect.
The real victims in this are the kids.
Harris tells us she's been fighting to homeschool her children. She says she filed paperwork with the Buffalo Public School District in December and followed up in January. It was stamped and received. But a month later, she says CPS and Buffalo Police came to execute that court order, removing her children.
They paint a picture of a neglectful, violent, undedicated mother, and that's the absolute opposite of what my client is.
The Child Protective Services Department is one that's often met with a lot of criticism.
We spoke with 7 Eyewitness News legal expert Florina Altschiller about this case.
They're criticized because they don't move quickly enough. Here we have the exact opposite. We have a situation where Child Protective Services moved very quickly.
This is the social services document outlining the neglect case against Harris. 5 out of the 7 statements indicate educational neglect, claiming Harris failed to send her kids to school, saying the children have had excessive absenteeism, and saying Harris failed to cooperate with school officials. Both Harris and her attorney say this stems from the homeschooling attempt.
Most of these allegations are in some way related to the aspect of educational neglect, and they tried to spin that as an imminent danger. And there's case law that supports the fact that educational neglect does not constitute imminent danger.
There is one report claiming Harris has a history of engaging in domestic violence or acts of violence, including a knife. However, a 7 Eyewitness News background check confirms Harris has never been arrested before this incident.
Based on the documents that she has provided, indicating what appears to be compliance with the very instructions that they offered her, it's a little bit concerning that a neglect petition rather than a counseling session or correspondence or any sort of period of remedial redress be offered for her.
We did leave a message with the county's public relations person requesting a comment on this case from CPS. We are waiting to hear back tonight. Hannah Buehler, 7 Eyewitness News.